This is the part 2 of this repositioning of the median bearing on the drive shaft of this T1N Dodge Sprinter. And when I got the part, it had this orange label on here, and this number A903-411-0084, that is the part number for this new adapter that shifts the, be like this, looking from the front of the vehicle, it shifts the median bearing bracket over about 18 millimeters. And I just now realized these holes, trying to get the right light on them here, they require a socket screw of sorts, not a 6 or 8 point deep socket. So I'm going to have to hunt around Chicago and see if I can find one of those. These are the two 12 millimeter thread 1.5 pitch nuts that I bought at the local hardware store. And I bought these two lock washers. Thought I might need those. But no sense in getting under that van until I have a socket screw that the head is that size. And there's no way to get in there with a standard socket wrench. So, but that gives you the idea. I peeled back the label on this, and they call it a shim, but the interesting thing is that right here, I can get in there, it says Daimler-Chrysler. So this design to shift the drive shaft median bearing over was thought up, instituted back before Fiat bought out Chrysler. So it even has the phone number over in Europe, in Stuttgart, where you can call about this part number. Fascinating. Now you can see that it had quite a bit of machining on there, not only to put the hole and to weld these studs, 12 millimeter studs in there. There you can see where they ground it off on the back side. So this part fits up, how is it? Okay, this is looking from the front of the vehicle toward the back, and you can see the offset and the machining that was done and the welding to place that stud in this metal. It weighs probably 1.25 pounds. It is not really lightweight. So it's all steel. There's no metal other than that. So that's what I wanted to show you. Now it's asymmetrical. You can see these rounded corners. The rounded corners go on the driver's side. The other corner that goes on the passenger side is square cornered. So that's how you get your orientation, other than looking at it and saying, yeah, I want to go to the passenger side with the median bearing and the drive shaft. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.